I got a surprise for you. I didn't know this. 25% of ETF funds have closed since 2014. A study by CFRA's Todd Rosenbluth, we have him standing right here, indicates that of the 1,600 ETFs that have been listed since December 31st, 2014, about 24% have closed, about 400. And here's another point. The big just keep getting bigger. Just 100 ETFs account for 83% of the cumulative asset growth during that study. Todd, what does this tell you? I was surprised at this number. 25% of ETFs have closed. What do we learn here about what people want from ETFs?
So what we've seen is that the asset managers have seen the money going in. They're launching products. After a couple of years, if the products don't reach $100 million, which is a nice threshold, 89% of the closures had less than $100 million in assets under management. You'll see closures. We saw, for example, Invesco made a couple of acquisitions. They took a look at their product lineup. Some of those strategies no longer made sense under the Invesco brand. And so we saw 20 or so ETFs that closed in early 2019. Yeah. That's just healthy. That's a maturing part of the industry. But we're also seeing money going in to the largest of the products and the cheapest of the products. That trend continues.
So Dan, maybe this makes some sense. I mean, you run an ETF family. You try a lot of different things. Some of it works, some of it doesn't work. I was a little surprised 25% seems high, but what have you learned about offering many different products and, as Todd mentioned, making some acquisitions of your own?
Well, ultimately, look, this is all client-driven. We want to make sure we have the best solutions run properly for our clients broadly. But the ETF vehicle is also a very innovative wrapper, to bring new innovative solutions and to basically get there. I think, but this is also a message to investors that for ETF issuers, it can be low barriers to entry, but a very high barrier to success. So being with larger providers that have all the infrastructure that can really support the products long-term is crucial.